Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix high on live game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So you have to make sure that all these requirements are available, and after that try to launch the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But if this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings, and after that click on Windows update option over here. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option, wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. The general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand to display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search, search for task manager. Under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select it. After selecting, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time, and after that close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if any antivirus software is installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable this, because most of the time while launching the game, antivirus software stops you from playing it. So make sure you disable your antivirus software before you launch the game and then check. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam again and then check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once your website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX. After downloading, install it. Once you install DirectX on your system, after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. So for that, go to settings. After that, go to system, and here you can search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall High on Life game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely close the game and remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall High on Life game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix High on Life game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.